Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing the cable and connectors so termination is clean and reliable. Strip about 1/2 inch of jacket, keeping pairs intact. This exposes conductors without nicking them. Once done, arrange wires to the correct wiring standard, T568A or T568B. Because consistent pairing preserves signal and reduces crosstalk. Make sure to flatten and align each conductor straight and parallel before inserting. You now move to seating and crimping. This is the most sensitive step. Carefully push the aligned conductors fully into the connector until the cable jacket nests inside the plug throat. This secures strain relief. Once aligned, position the connector in the crimper and apply steady force in one smooth motion so contacts pierce insulation and bite the conductors. After crimping, flex the cable gently, make sure no wire slips out. If you hear a click, that usually means the clip latched correctly. You finish by testing and addressing any faults to ensure uptime. Plug the cable into a tester to verify continuity, correct pair mapping, and absence of shorts. This confirms the crimp made proper contact. If a test fails, restrip a small section, realign the wires, or replace the connector. Poor seating is the usual culprit. For fiber patch cords, always clean and inspect the end face with an alcohol wipe and scope. Contamination causes most signal loss, not the connector itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.